Let me tell you something about budgeting. Most people think budgeting means you stop having fun, stop eating out, and basically become a financial monk. Like suddenly you're sitting at home on a Friday night eating instant noodles thinking, this is wealth building. Relax. Budgeting is not about suffering. Budgeting is about telling your money where to go, so it doesn't disappear like your gym membership after January. Today, I'll show you how to budget for beginners, break it down step by step, in a way that actually works, doesn't kill your lifestyle, and helps you build real wealth over time. First, let's fix a huge misunderstanding. Budgeting is not 1. Tracking every penny like a paranoid accountant, 2. Feeling guilty every time you buy coffee, and 3. Living like you're broke when you're not. Budgeting is 1. A financial strategy, 2. A tool for wealth building, 3. The foundation of long-term investing. Think of budgeting like this. If your money is a group of employees without a budget, they're just wandering around the office eating snacks doing nothing. With a budget, now you're the boss. Everyone has a job, rent covered. Investments growing, savings building. Random Amazon purchases at 2 a.m. Still there, but at least controlled. Here's the truth, most people don't fail budgeting because they're bad at math. They fail because of financial psychology. The 3 big reasons that people failed. Number 1. They make it too complicated. Spreadsheets with 47 categories. Dining out, sushi, steak, pizza. Come on, you're not running a restaurant. You also don't need to list every pencil or eraser you bought. You're not working at a banking counting every penny. Mistake number 2. They try to be perfect. Miss one day, one expense, and suddenly I messed up. Guess I'll quit budgeting forever. That's like dropping one dumbbell and quitting the gym. It's okay, missing one expense is not going to ruin your life. Just do it tomorrow. Mistake number 3. They ignore human behaviors. You're not a robot. You will spend emotionally. You will justify things like, I deserve this, it's been a long day. Budgeting that ignores human behavior will always fail. It comes back to it's your life, so be realistic. Let's make this simple. You only need 3 categories to start. Number 1. Needs, which is about 50 to 60% of your income. This includes items like rent, utilities, groceries, transportation. These are survival expenses. Number 2. Wants, which is about 20 to 30% of your income. This includes eating out, entertainment, shopping. Yes, you're allowed to have a life. And number 3. Future, which is about 20% of your income, which includes savings, investments, emergency fund. This is where wealth building happens. Now let's break this down with an example. Let's say you make $3,000 per month after taxes. This means number 1, your needs is about $1,500 to $1,800. Number 2, your wants is about $600 to $900. And number 3, your future is about $600. That $600 in the future bucket, that's your ticket to get out of living paycheck to paycheck. Now let's actually build your budget. Step 1, know your numbers. Look at your income and your last 1-2 months of spending. Yes, this part hurts. You will discover things like, why did I spend $180 on food delivery? Was I feeding a family of 6? Step 2, categorize everything. Put every expense into a needs, wants, or future. No judgment. Just data. Step 3, set limits, realistic ones. Don't say I will never eat out again, you will. And then you'll quit. Instead say I'll eat out 2 to 3 times per week. That's risk management applied to your lifestyle. You allow yourself to spend but within limits. That's risk management. Step 4, automate your future. This is critical. Set automatic transfers to your savings account or investment account. Because if you wait until the end of the month to save, there will be nothing left. Your money will mysteriously disappear like socks in a dryer. Budgeting alone doesn't make you rich. Let me repeat that, budgeting alone does not create wealth. It just creates control. The real magic happens when budgeting connects to the stock market, long-term investing, and smart portfolio strategy. Remember that 20% future bucket. That's where you build an emergency fund, invest in index funds. These money grow over time because of something called compound growth. In simple terms, compound growth is basically once you earned your fist $100, you'll earn interest on it. Then that interest will keep on earning more interest. They keep growing while you sleep. That's why having that savings in the future bucket is very important, so money can keep growing or compounding on its own. Think about this: if you invest $500 per month consistently, over time, through economic cycles, market ups and downs, that money keeps working. Eventually, your investments generate returns, your returns generate more returns. That's when wealth building becomes real. Please don't think working more overtime will make you the next millionaire. It's compound growth that'll make you a millionaire in the long run. Finally, let's save you from some classic mistakes. Mistake 1: budgeting but not tracking. You made a plan, great. But if you don't check it, it's just a wish. Mistake 2: ignoring irregular expenses. Things like car repairs, gifts, travel. These are not surprises. They happen every year. Plan for them. Mistake 3: cutting too hard. Some people go extreme: no spending, no fun. Only savings. 2 weeks later, they have a $400 shopping spree. That's not budgeting. That's emotional revenge spending. That's like starving yourself for a day to lose weight, then go on a pizza binge on a Friday night. Don't be too harsh on yourself, be realistic. Mistake 4: not adjusting over time. Your budget should evolve through time with your income changes, life changes, and economic cycles. Budgeting is a system, not a one-time setup. When your income changes, when you get married, have a family, when times are tough, you can and should make adjustments. Again, this is real life, your life. Don't be too harsh, be realistic. Now the real challenge is sticking to it. Here's what actually works. Number 1, make it visible. Number 2, use friction. Number 3, reward yourself. Let's start with number 1. Make it visible. Check your budget weekly. Not yearly. Not when I feel like it too. Use friction. Want to spend less? Make it harder to spend. Remove saved credit cards from online app. So if you really need to buy, you have to make an effort to grab the credit card from your wallet and enter all the numbers, security code, address, and everything. Make it such an effort that you almost rather not buy. Yes. That's exactly what we're trying to do. Here's another tip that is one of my favorites: delay purchases for 24 hours. Wait 24 hours before you commit to buying. Most of the time you'll realize you actually don't really need that thing you're looking at last night. It works more than 50% of the time. Another tip is keep yourself busy, play sports instead of shopping. Watch a free movie online instead of browsing the web for online shopping. This is behavioral risk management. 3. Reward yourself. Budgeting without rewards is like punishment. When you hit your savings goal, good job, treat yourself for your job well done. Of course, do it responsibly. Don't go out and buy a new yacht. Now you're armed with all these new knowledge on budget. Let's take a step back. Budgeting is not about cutting coffee or tracking every dollar. It's about gaining control, reducing stress, and building long-term wealth. Without a budget, you react to money. With a budget, you control money. That's the key takeaway: control your money like control your life, so you know where you're heading. When you combine budgeting with smart investment decisions, understanding the stock market, consistent long-term investing, and a disciplined portfolio strategy, that's how you win financially. So no, budgeting doesn't mean your life is over. It just means your money finally has a plan. And once your money has a plan, you stop wondering where it went and start deciding where it grows. If you find this helpful, click like and subscribe. See you in the next one.